I'm spilling it.
You don't gotta be perfect.
I'm about to be
What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today is pretty much gonna be a little vlog. 4th of July is coming up, so I'll just be going to a little parade tonight. Going to go have a little fun with some friends. Might take you guys there with me. Right now, you guys are just about to, watch me get dressed. Well, I'm about to do my fix up my hair, do whatever I do to my eyes or whatever, and you guys are just gonna watch or, get ready with me. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so guys, this is pretty much the finished look. Something really simple. Didn't want to do too much. Already got in the shower and everything, before I start doing my hair and makeup. So now I'm about to just go get dressed, and then I guess I'll show you guys my little outfit. It's really like, just some Nike shorts, Nike t-shirt, Nike socks, and I don't know if I'm gonna wear some Nike slides or some shoes. I don't know yet, but yeah, let me go get dressed and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I'm back. Here's my shirt. And I have on some, shorts. And that's really it, Pretty simple outfit. I didn't really want to go, honestly, but my friends sort of forced me to go. So now I'm about to clean up my mess and just chill until my friends get here, and then I'll vlog some more when I'm in the car with them and when we get to the parade and whatever else I do tonight. So see ya. All right, so change of plans. I missed the parade. My friend got a flat tire and they ended up not coming, so I just came with my family. But now we're at this little carnival thing, and I guess I'll put some snippets of me and my friends if I see any of them here, or of the little stuff that's going on, like the band and fireworks. I'll definitely record the fireworks. And yeah, that's really it. So alright, so finally link with my friends, you feel me? Logan, Deja, you feel me? Yeah. Wow, you just left me out. I finally link with my friends. We left the carnival. We're going back. We about to go get something to drink and stuff now. Oh, that pimple is terrible. We about to go get something to drink now. Then we gonna go back. Y'all ready for watch fireworks and all that, you feel me?